Now let's move forward. Question number 2. First of all, read the question. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Also find the distance between towns A and B if town B is located at 36 km east and 15 km north of town A. Okay. Also find the distance between town A and B if town B is located at 36 km east and 15 km north of town A. Okay, so our first work is to find the distance between the point 0, 0 and 36, 15. So first of all, find the distance. Okay, two different questions we have here. First of all, we need to find the distance. Here we have the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Okay, so this is x1, y1. Here x2 and y2. Okay. So use the distance formula. Distance. Now here x1 minus x2 all square, y1 minus y2 all square. Now our x1 it is 0 minus x2 36 whole square, y1 it is 0, y2 15. Now here 0 minus 36 only, 0 minus 15 minus 15 all square. Okay, now 36 all square. So what is the square of 36? So 6 6 are 36, remainder 3, 6 3 are 18 to the 36 plus 3 39, again 3 square 9 plus 3 1 2 9 6 plus 15 square 225. Negative becomes positive because square is there, right? And second thing, distance cannot be negative, it is always positive. Okay, so minus 36 square 1296 plus minus 15 square plus 225. Now add this to number 6 plus 5 1 11, right? 1 remainder 10 plus 2 12, again 1 remainder 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 and 1 5 2 1. Okay, 1 5 2 1. Now we need to find the square root of 1521. Okay, square root of 1521. We know that the square root of 40 it is 1600, right? So 1521 it is less than 40, so just try out the 39. So 39 multiply 39, 9 3 are 27, 3 3 are 9 plus 2 11, so 117. Sorry, 9 9s are 81, 8, 9 3s are 27 plus 8 35, remainder 3, 9 3s are 27 plus 3 30, so 1 2 2 4, sorry, mistake is there, 39 all square. 9 square 81, remainder 8, directly even we can find. 9 3s are 27 into 2, 54, 54 plus 8, 62, so 6, 3 square, 9, 9 plus 6, 50, yes, so 39 square it is 1521. So square root of 1521 it is 39. How we can estimate it? I know that 40 square 1600 which is near about this. So just try out the 39 whole square. It is 1521. So square root of 1521 it is 39. Okay. Now second question. Also find the distance between towns A and B if town B is located at 36 km east and 15 km north of town A. So first of all we put that town A, it is at origin place. Okay, we assume that town A is at origin. Now write down the direction: east, west, okay, then north, south, okay, north, south, east and west. Now B is located 36 kilometers east. So from A 00, we assume that A is 00. So from east direction 36 kilometers and in north direction 15 kilometers. So alternately B is present here. Okay, what is given to you? Just assume that A is at origin. Now from east direction 36 kilometers and from north direction minus 15 kilometers. So alternately point B is at minus 36 minus 15. Otherwise, if you change the direction as per the map of India, so here east, west, north and south. Here your point A is 00. Now east direction 36 kilometers and north direction 15 kilometers. So somehow it is present here, right? D 36, 15. And what we need to do? Find the distance between town A and B. So we need to find the distance AB. Now our point A 00, point B 36, 15. Okay. So here again just look for the point B 36 km east and 15 km north. So alternately your point B is here 36, 15. So now we have the 2 points A and B. A 00, B 36, 15, and we need to find the distance between point A and B. Okay, A 00, B 36, 15. Now distance AB. Now students, look at this question. Here our coordinate 00, 36, 15. That means same answer we get for distance AB, it is 39. Okay, that means these things you need to copy here, because here even we have the same coordinate 00, 36, 15. Okay, so alternative distance AB, same way we will get the answer 39 kilometer. Here it is not given, but here distance between town A and B, it is 39 kilometer. Okay, so distance AB we will get 39. First of all, we need to adjust these things. NEW as north 36, sorry, east 36 and north 15. So alternately here. So distance between A and B, A00, 36, 15. So this is our x1 by 1, x2 by 2. Use the distance formula, put all the values, and here you need to find the square root. It is 39. Okay, so distance between town A and B is 39 km. So students, if you have any doubt in these questions, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Thank you.